Welcome back, children. In this video, I'm going to teach you Standard 7 percentage and its application. In this video, we are going to study what do you mean by percentage, how to calculate the percentage, how to find out the percentage, how to convert percentage and profit and loss. What do you mean by profit? What do you mean by loss? How to calculate loss percentage, profit percentage, and how to calculate means amount, interest, everything. But first part we have to only solve question means exercise 7.1, 7.2 means middle of the 7.2, and next video we have to means conclude means profit and loss and amount, interest, rate of interest, everything. So please stay means watch this video till end. We are going to study chapter 7 percentage and its application. Percentage and its application. Percentage means per 100. Percentage means per 100. 100 means out of 100 or out of out of out of 100, out of 100, out of 100. And this symbol is stand for percentage. Percentage stand for percent means or percent means out of 100. Cent means out of 100 means we can write that is 1 by 100. Percentage is the numerator of a fraction whose denominator is 100. These are the important point I am discussing. In the fraction r by 100, percentage equal to r, it is written as r percentage. To convert percentage into fraction, replace by the sign percentage, replace by the sign percentage, sign percentage with 1 by 100. Then we are simplify and simplify. So to convert means percentage, we are doing percentage means take out the percentage like this. To express one quantity as a percent of another quantity means percentage equal to one quantity by another quantity into 100, close the bracket and give percentage sign. And remember, both the quantity must be same kind and same units. Percentage increase or decrease, that time we have to do one quantity means change in one quantity. Simply I am writing quantity by original quantity into 100 and put percentage sign. These are the means formula. Now see profit percentage and loss percentage. Means profit by cost price. Profit by cost price, short form we are writing CP, cost price into 100, give the percentage sign, and in loss percentage I can write loss by CP into 100 and percent. You can write here, you can write percentage only, loss percentage, loss percentage, because in this chapter percentage and its application, here we have to study percentage along with profit and loss, and means simple interest also. So profit means, as we know, selling price means short form of selling price SP minus CP, profit. This is known as profit. And loss equal to CP minus SP. Okay, this is known as loss. Amount means whatever the principal, whatever the money we have invested, that plus interest, means principal plus interest. Okay, so short form we can write A equal to P plus I. So, and I equal to, means interest equal to P into R into T by 100. These are the, in a nutshell, all the formula I have written. You have to go through with your book also, and then we can solve. Now I am going to solve sums also from your exercise. 1.1, question number 1 I am solving. It is given, convert the following percents into fraction in simplest form. So it is given 25%. As I told you, to remove this sign, we have to write by 100. Make it lowest term. So 25's ones are 25 and it will be 4. So our answer will be 1 by 4. Simply remove the percentage sign, divided by 100. So you will get your required answer. Question number 3, it is given that first I am solving. 6 students out of 40 students in a class are absent. What percent of the students are absent? So first of all, we have to write absent percentage. You have to find out absent percentage. It is given how many students are absent? 6. And this is our absent student, and out of, I told you the same quantity, so that is 6 students were absent, and number of students are, total students are 40. So give 100 and put percentage sign. So this 0 cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 3 5s are 15. 15%. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 4. See 4.1 I am discussing. This figure in the shape of square shape is given. So this is shaded. So we have to find out. Estimate the part of the figure which shaded, and hence find the percentage of the part which is shaded. Estimate the part which is shaded, and hence find out the percentage of the. So first of all, you say how many total part is 1 2 3 4. So we have to write 4 part, and how many parts are shaded? So 1 2 3 parts are shaded. If it is asking unshaded, that time we have to write only 1. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4 we have to convert into So first of all, write according to the figure, out of 4 part 3 parts are shaded, so that equal to 3 by 4, and we have to find out its percentage. So 3 by 4 into 100, give percentage sign, this will be 425 sir 100, so 75 percentage. 75, give percentage sign 75%. This is our required answer. Write down. Question number 6, first it is given, express the ratio, means 5 is to 4 as a percentage. That we can write 5 is to 4 means I can write 5 by 4 5 by 4 into 100, and this will go in 25 tables. So 5 into 25, 125%. This is our required answer. Write down. See question number 7. It is given, an alloy consists of 7 parts of zinc and 33 parts of copper. Find the percentage of copper in alloy. As we know, alloy means two metals are there. So here it is one metal is given zinc and one is copper. So first of all you write zinc. Our zinc is given 7 part. Solution, zinc is given 7 part, and copper is given 33 part. 33 part. Write down. Therefore alloy equal to what? 7 plus 33 equal to 40. Now we have to find out that what percentage, copper percentage. We have to find out copper percentage equal to, see the copper is here 33, copper part is 33 and alloy is 40 out of 100. So 0 0 cancel, this is 2 and this is 5. So 5 into 33, 5 into 33 by 2 means 165 by 2, it will go 82.5, means 82.5%. This is our required answer. Question number 9, it is given, if rupees 2500 is to be divided among Ravi, Raju and Roy, so that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju 3 parts, Roy 5 parts, how much money will each get? What will it be in percentage? So first of all we have to write Ravi got 2 part, Raju 3 part and Roy 5 part. So total part equal to what? Total part 2 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 10 part. Total 10 part. Now Ravi will get equal to what? Ravi part is 2. So I can write what? 2 by 10 into out of 2500. So it will be 500. Now 500 he got. This is the part of Ravi. Means Ravi will get 500. Okay, rupees 500. So rupees 500 percentage of whom? So and its or his, and his percentage equal to he is getting 500 out of 2005 into 100. So 20, it will come 20%. This is your first. This is our first answer. So Ravi will get 20% and his money will be 500. Write down first part. Now Raju will get 3 part, means 3 by 10 into 20, 500. 500 means this is 3 5s are 20, 70, 25s are 75, rupees 750, and his percentage equal to, means Ravi's, no, yes, Raju's percentage will be 750 by 2500 into 100. This is 3, means 30%. This is Raju's percentage. Now we have to find out Roy's. Now Roy will get what? Roy's part is 5 by 10 into 20, 500. So it will come 1250 rupees. Okay, and his percentage will be 1250 by 2500 into 100. So you can write this 0 gone. So 125 into 2 equal to 250. So this is 2 and this will be 50. So 50%. 50% he will get. So this is all about from your exercise 7.1. Now we have to move 7.2. In this exercise you have to discuss finding a percentage of a given quantity. Suppose question number 1, it is given find 15% of 250. Of means here multiply. So I have to write 15 into 250 and remove the percentage divided by 100. So 0 gone. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 25, it will come 5 15s are 75 by 2%, means 37.5%. This is our required answer. Write down 37. We have to remove the percentage. 37.5 because it is written 15% of 25. So we have to find out the only value. So this is 37.5. Write down. Question number 3, it is given Vasundhara ate 3 ice cream cups out of 20 kept in the fridge. What percent did she eat? So we have to find out what Vasundhara Vasundhara 8% equal to, so 3 ice cream she has eaten out of 20 into 100 give percentage. 0 gone. This will be 5 2s are 10, 5 3 5s are 15. 15%. This is our required answer. Write down. Now question number 5 first. I am solving 5 first. It is given what percent is 12 of 80? 12 of 80. So we can write 12 by 80 into 100. This 0 gone. This is 5. This will be 4. This is 3. So 3 into 5, that is 15%. Write down. Question number 7. The price of a shirt decreased from 80 rupees to 60 rupees. Find the percentage of decrease in the price of the salt. So first of all we have to write decrease. Decrease, price decrease means we have to write price decrease. Decrease, that is rupees 80 and minus 60, it will be rupees 20. Rupees 20. Now we have to find out the decrease percentage. Decrease, decrease, D-R-E, decrease, decrease percentage. Percentage equal to decrease means what? This quantity is decreasing out of 80. Out of 80 by 80 into 100. This 0 gone. Okay, this will be 5. This will be 5 to the, and this is 4. This is 5. 5, 5, 5. 25% is decreasing. This is the required answer. See question number 9. It is given rate of basmati rice last year was 40 rupees. Last year rate is given 40 rupees. This year they are costly by 20%. What is the price this year? So first of all we have to write last year cost. Question number 9. Last year cost equal to 40 rupees. 40 rupees. Increase, how much it is increase? Increase this year. Increase this year. This year equal to 20%. Now increase amount, we have to find out increase amount. So 20%, that means 20% of 40 by 100. This 0, this 0, this 0 gone, means rupees 80. So now present cost, price this year. Therefore price of rice in this year equal to, this is amount, this amount has been increased and this is our previous year cost. So 40 plus 8 equal to rupees 48. This is our required answer. Write down 48 rupees per kg. Per kg. Question number 11. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the number of voters who did not vote. Who did not vote. So first of all we have to find out voter voted. Voter voted. Voter who voted means who cast his or her vote. That is what? 15,000 total voter. So 15,000 of, what is the percentage? The percentage is given 60. So that is by 100. Means this 0 gone, this is gone. So we can write, that is 6 15s are 90, 90 and 2 more 0. So 90,000. So what we have to find? We have to find out, find the number of voter who did not vote. So voter who did not vote means total 15,000 and this 9,000 are voted, minus 9,000, therefore 6,000 who did not voted. This is our required answer. Write down. Question number 13. It is given chalk contains 10% calcium, 3% carbon, 12% oxygen and the remaining sand. Find the amount of carbon and calcium in grams in 2 whole 1/2 kg of chalk. Also find the amount of sand in kg. First of all, calcium. Question number 13. Calcium equal to, it is given 10%. 10%. Carbon given 3%, and oxygen equal to 12%. 12%. Now weight of chalk. Weight of chalk equal to, it is given 2 whole 1/2 kg. So I can write 2500 gram. Now they are out of 100%, so we can easily find out the sand percentage. Sand means what? Out of 100% minus 10 plus 3 plus 12%, that is what? 10, 3, 13, 12 means 75%. 75% means out of 100 the sand is there. So sand is there. Now we have to find out amount of carbon. We have to find out amount of carbon now. Amount of carbon equal to 3% of total is what? 2500 gram into 100 into 100. Oh, out of, this is out of 2500 by 100. So this 20 gone, 75 gram our what? Carbon. Now amount means here you don't count money. Amount means how much carbon is there. So carbon equal to, don't write amount, better you will confuse only. Now we have to find out calcium. Calcium equal to, our calcium equal to what? 10%. 10 by 100 out of what? Means of, that is 2500 means 250 gram. This is one answer, this is one answer. Up to here you write first. Now amount of sand. Sand we have to find out. Now sand equal to what? 75% means 75 by 100, and that is 2000 what? 2500. So this one gone. 75 into 25, it will come 1875. This is gram. We have to convert it into, according to the question, in kg. So kg, remove the gram, divide by 1000. 1875 by 1000 kg means 1.875 kg. This is our required answer. Write down. Question number 15. It is given Mohini saved rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, then what is her salary? So then what is her salary? First of all, we can consider, let Mohini's salary be X. Just I am considering. So according to the question, it is given that 10% of his salary is saving, that is 400. So X of means multiply 10% equal to rupees 400. So X 10x by 100 equal to 400. So this 0 cancel. X equal to 400 into 10, that is 4000. Therefore, and we have considered X as a Mohini's salary. Therefore, her salary equal to rupees 4,000. Write down. This is your means first part, means sums I have solved. Next video you have to continue. Okay, then we will get the rest of sum, that is from few sum from 7.2, 7.3 and 7.4. Thank you. Have a nice day. So please share this video among your friends and share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you for watching this video. So please subscribe, share and like this channel so you can get further more information. Thank you. Have a nice day.